the child of the earth, yeah. Know your worth, and sometimes just know you gotta come first. You need pretty girls, nice life problems. Where you tryna go, I'ma solve them.
What's up, Ivy gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ivy Milaz and I'm back again with another video. Back again with another video. You probably clicked on this video because you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel and everybody has been telling you to start with your phone. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can film on your phone. So I have an iPhone 6 right now, so it is so cracked. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do a proper setup, how to find good lighting, how to find good angles with a proper background, and also tips and tricks to make your video look more professional. Right now I'm using my camera to film. So the first thing we're going to do is change some settings on our phone, in this particular case in an iPhone, to make the quality come out a bit better. So we're going to go to settings and find our camera. So the best thing you want to do is record your video in 1080p HD with 60 frames per second. So that's the better one to do. If you have more space on your phone, you can click on the 4K, but that uses a lot of space in your phone. I'm just giving you that warning. So for me, I'm gonna do mine in 1080p because after I edit everything, I'm also gonna save my video in 1080p. So now that we have that set, so going into the setup, a few mistakes a lot of people make is they record their video like this. Now you do not want to record your video like this, because what's going to happen is when you add the video to your editor or upload it to YouTube, you have this black grid. This whole part will be black and you just have this part of the video showing, and that does not look very professional. You don't want people to know, oh, you filmed this with your phone. So the best thing to do is film it horizontally. Now if you don't have a tripod, you can be creative and get a chair, stack something up and put your phone there and record that way. But if you have a tripod like what I'll be using in this video, I have this tripod here. Now there's a debate on whether or not you should use your front camera or your back camera. Now if you shoot with your front camera, one, the quality in the front camera is not as good as the back camera. So the best thing to do is film with your back camera, because another thing that will happen is when you're filming with your front camera, a lot of people tend to look at themselves. They tend to look at themselves instead of the little camera right here. So right now I'm looking at you, right? But if I had to use my phone and I'm looking at myself, I'll be talking like this, because I keep looking at myself to make sure, oh, my hair is perfect, okay, all right, I look cute, whatnot. But you need to you need to be more engaged with your audience, so you need to look into the camera. If you want to record your video in front of a window, because you want to get that natural lighting and you don't want to have direct sunlight in your face. So make sure to wipe your back camera before you start filming. That way you have a clearer video and it's easier for it to look more professional. Alright, so getting into the setup, if you have your tripod, which I'm gonna use right here for you guys to see. So if you have your tripod here, you want to put it on the tripod. Like so. Okay, so after you found your setup, like right now, you're gonna try and take a few test shots to see if you like how you're looking, if everything just looks okay for you. And the crazy thing is, when you film with your back camera, the volume when you edit is gonna be very, very low. So you want to make sure you're shouting
You want to make sure you're loud enough so that you can be heard by your viewers.
So right now I'm looking into my camera on my phone, and you can see how everything looks good and crisp, as if I'm using a camera, but I'm just filming with my phone. So after you finish your video, or every 5 minutes I would say, or every 3-4 minutes, you want to come around and see if you're still recording, because a number of times that's happened to me where I thought I pressed record and I wasn't recording, and that's very sad because you have to start all over again. Alright, so my setup is right here in front of the window. As you can see, you guys can see me clearly. If you do have a ring light, you can film anywhere you want and just set up your lightings. But if you don't have a ring light and you're literally just starting off, the best place to film is in front of the window. So yeah guys, and then another tip I learned was if you just hold your phone like that, you know the little box thing that comes, it will show AE lock. That way if I keep moving, the lighting won't keep changing every single time. So some people would like to be in the center of their video like this, and some people would rather be a little bit off to the side. So it depends on you, whichever one you want. And yeah, and make sure you're checking every single time if you're in focus. Another thing you can do is if you set it up in a certain way, you can try and put a mirror behind the camera. In this case, I'm using my actual camera to see myself through my phone. So if you don't have that, you can use like a mirror or something that you can put at the back of your phone, so that you can keep checking without having to come all the way around to look at it that way, if you understand what I'm saying. So it's easier to just have a little peep every now and then, like, okay, I'm in focus, and you know, get your video done. So yeah guys, that is how you can film your videos on your phone and the quality will still be good. So this is how to sort of film like a pro, and I hope you learned a few things from this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see my other type of content, because I make different types of things. I do reactions, I do some vlogs as well. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in my next video, which will be how to edit using iMovie. So make sure you click that video next, and also check out the playlist I have down below on how to record with your phone, how to edit, how to add music to your video, and how to use green screen. I'm gonna be explaining all of that stuff, so make sure you click the playlist down below to watch all the videos. Thank you for watching, and peace out. And that's how I close my videos, so peace out.
That is too much. You got a beautiful heart. When you gon' let me in it, cause it's looking like it's gon' take a minute. Yeah. Before you call it off, baby. Don't mind me, I'm just saying.